In this video, we're doing a tour of my dining room for spring. If you're new to my channel, I certainly hope that you will click subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to hit the like button, and let's get into this. Okay, so then let's talk through the individual elements. On my captain's chairs, I got this. It's actually a towel, and I got that from Dollar Tree. And that was so super cute with all the eggs and stuff on it. And I like you making it for spring, but once Easter's over, I can take this out and still have a perfectly valid tablescape for the season. The table runner I got at Hobby Lobby, as well as the bunnies. And this really cute napkin ring is from Hobby Lobby as well, and the charger. The wicker placemat I got from IKEA a couple years ago, and the plates are thrifted. So I wanted to keep the centerpiece very simple. So I just used a vase of tulips, my favorite. I got the pot from the thrift store. You can tell is one that you keep maybe soups or something warm in it. So I don't have the plug, but I just have the pot from the thrift store. And I'm using that for my vase. And then I've had the lilies over the last couple of years, and just I add a little bit to it year after year. So let's look a little bit more in detail at this tablescape. So I have my napkins layered. I got the outside napkin from, I believe, Home Goods, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And then the pink napkins are thrifted, and I absolutely love the look of layered napkins. I love how the pink goes from the plate to the table runner to the bunny to the centerpiece. So I just love bringing all that through, and I love how the yellow just provides a really pretty background to all of that. I absolutely love it. So this time I do have my fork and knife. Oh, I'm missing my spoon and all that. Fork and knife on the correct sides of the plate. And once again, you can see the towel used. So there's really just no real rule. You just use what works best for you and use it in a creative way. Rebecca Robeson always says it's not what you got, it's what you do with what you got. So be creative. So this is the look from the other side, and it just screams spring. So this table garland I created in one of my live videos. I can link that video there if you want to go look and see it. The base of it, of course, is a evergreen garland that you use for Christmas. And then I used my eucalyptus, my magnolia leaves, and then these beautiful spring flowers. I went to Hobby Lobby and got the peonies, the roses, the ranunculus. I absolutely love them. These flowers you'll see, and not the flowers, the bunnies. The bunnies are from Kroger. I got these from Kroger maybe 2 years ago. And then this little guy is from Tuesday Morning. And you can see I've got them up on risers, so whatever you can use to get them to raise up, so that I can see them from this side. So I absolutely love it. It makes such an impact, and you see my dining room as soon as you walk in. So this just makes a beautiful impact. I so love it. I hope you do